Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will see 10th Standard Social Science History Part, Unit 1, Advent of Europeans to India. This video will help for examination purpose and for all competitive examinations. Question: which place was called the gateway of Europe to trade? That is Constantinople city. Gateway of European trade is Constantinople city. Next, which country had established its trade monopoly over European countries? Answer is Italy. Italy established monopoly over European countries. Next, which countries of Europe tried to overcome Italian monopoly over trade? Those countries are Spain and Portugal. Next, who were the first Europeans to advent and last to leave India? Those are Portuguese. Portuguese are the first Europeans to advent India and last to leave India. Next, who discovered sea route to India? Vasco da Gama in 1498 discovered sea route to India. Next, who was the first viceroy of Portuguese in India? Answer is Francisco de Almeida. Next, who gave the East India Company charter to trade with India and when? Queen Elizabeth in 1600 gave a charter to trade with India. Who was the viceroy of James I to visit the court of Jahangir? Sir Thomas Roy was the viceroy to visit Jahangir. Name the Mughal ruler who gave permission to British trade in India. Jahangir, the Mughal ruler who gave permission to Britishers. Next, which was the first headquarters of English in India? First headquarter was Kolkata. Next, name the forts established by the British at Madras and Kolkata. Fort George and Fort Williams. Fort George in Madras and Fort Williams in Kolkata. When did the French East India Company set up in India? In 1664, French East India Company set up in India. Next, who was the real founder of Portuguese power in India? Alfonso de Albuquerque was the real founder of Portuguese power in India. Where did the French set up their first trading center in India? In Surat. In Surat, French set up their first trading center. Which was the first headquarters of a French in India? Pondicherry. Pondicherry is the first headquarters of a French in India. Who was the Dupleix? Dupleix was French Governor General. By which treaty the First Carnatic War ended? By Aix-la-Chapelle Treaty, First Carnatic War was ended. Next, who gave East India Company Diwani rights over Bengal? Shah Alam II, Mughal Empire. Shah Alam II gave Diwani rights. Who introduced dual government in Bengal province? Robert Clive, Governor General Robert Clive introduced dual government. By which treaty the Third Carnatic War ended? The Treaty of Paris. The Third Carnatic War was ended. Next, who captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur? Portuguese. Portuguese were captured. The Governor General was Alfonso de Albuquerque. Which commodities of India had a greater demand in European markets? Those commodities are cardamom and ginger. How was the trade between India and Europe carried during the Middle Ages? Answer: Arab merchants carried the Asian merchandise into Constantinople through Constantinople land. Italian merchants would buy these goods and sell in European countries. Next, what made the Europeans to discover sea route to India? Fall of Constantinople, closure of a trade route between India and Europe, demand for Indian spices, scientific inventions. List out the European who came to India for the purpose of trade. Portuguese, Dutch, the English, and lastly, French. List out the trading centers of Dutch in India. Surat, Bhuj, Ambe, Cochin, Nagapatnam, Machilipatnam, and Chanzor. What are the Dastaks? Who issued Dastaks to British? License of trade issued to British, issued by the Mughal ruler Farrukh Shah. Farrukh Shah is issued Dastaks, those are license of trade. What are Dastaks? License of trade. What was the course of First Carnatic War? French invaded Madras and captured it. British were helpless and requested the Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin sent army against French. La Bourbonias took money from the English and returned Madras. Dupleix attempted to take Madras but failed. Who write a note on Second Carnatic War? Fought between French and English. Internal rivalry among Indian rulers is causes of war. French killed Arcot ruler and made Chanda Sahib as its ruler. Robert Clive attacked Arcot, killed Chanda Sahib. British made Muhammad Ali as the Nawab of Arcot. Mention the French trading centers in India. Machilipatnam, Chandranagar, Mahe, Karaikal, Kasim Bazar, and Balasore. Who fought the Battle of Buxar and when? Suraj Uddola and Robert Clive in 1757. What were the causes of Battle of Plassey? Causes are misuse of dastaks, mending of fort without permission of Sirajuddaulah, Black Room tragedy. What is Diwani right? Who gave this? Right to collect land tax. It was given by Shah Alam II. Explained dual government. It was introduced by Robert Clive. It was a system in which the British had the right to collect land taxes, and Nawab looked after administration like justice. Right about the Third Carnatic War, fought between French and English. Comte de Lally of French attempted to besiege Vandivash in 1760. Sir Eyrecourt of English defeated the French. British imprisoned Bussy. Lally escaped and hid in Pondicherry. Eyrecourt attacked Pondicherry. Lally surrendered unconditionally in 1761. What were the effects of Battle of Plassey? Siraj Uddola was defeated and killed. Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. Company gained the right to do business in Bengal. Mir Jafar had to pay rupees 17 crores and 70 lakhs. War brought out the immorality. War brought out the lack of unity among Indians. What were the effects of a Battle of Buxar? Flamboyant forces were defeated by the Britishers. British secured Diwani rights. The Nawab of Awadh gave 26 lakhs to British. British took over the entire administration of Bengal. Robert Clive introduced dual government in Bengal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.